Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm very excited to work with you on a powerful idea how stories can shape our identities and influence how we see each other. So, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to first analyze the main message of the TED Talk, The Danger of a Single Story by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Second, analyze cultural perspectives and recognize stereotypes. Third, the last but not the least, and practice critical thinking, reading, and writing skills. Aha! Let's begin our lesson with a quick warm up. Have you ever heard a story about someone that wasn't completely true? So, like maybe a rumor about a classmate or something about a country you have heard on the news. Let's do like this. Let's take 30 seconds to think about it. Mhm. Okay, so maybe you thought of a time when you only knew one thing about a person or place, and later you realized that there was so much more to the story. Mhm. Yes, yes, you're quite right. So, this is exactly what today's lesson is going to be about. Sometimes we only hear one story about a person, a place, or a culture. And when we do, we risk believing that this one story is the whole truth. Mhm. So, that is what Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie calls the danger of a single story. Today we're going to explore this idea together. Let me share my screen real quick and we will begin. Aha. Do you see it? Apologies. It's a little. Yes. Do you see it? Yes. So in here, I have put the PDF file, and this is on our school website where we upload our lesson presentations. You can go here, you click on this, and it comes here to the transcript of the TED Talk. So it will be easier for you to follow our lesson through this. And in the next lesson, when we continue, I will ask you to bring your tablets, devices, or the PDF file, print it out. Now, let's continue. So, before we continue, we're going to look at some really important words that you will hear. Identity. So, what's an identity? Yes, Jack, I am something. Yes, you're right. Alice is also correct. Yes. So, identity is who you are and how you see yourself. For example, your identity might include being a teacher, being a student, being a sister, being someone who loves swimming, who loves riding a horse, etc. Second is culture. What is a culture? Yes, Emily's correct. There's a lot of people, individuals, and a lot of flags you see here. So, our culture is our traditions, language, food, and the ways of life shared by a group of people. It can be, for example, celebrating Nowruz or speaking Azerbaijani at home or even English. It's a part of culture. Let's go to our next page. Hmm. Media. What do you see here? Yes, Edward. We see a lot of technology. So, media is where we get the information like TV, social media, newspapers, or YouTube. For example, media can be Instagram, TikTok. There are types of medias. Then we see, finally, stereotypes. Yes, we see a girl, hijabi girl, again, much more a little tan skinned. Yes, pale skinned. Yes, that's correct. So, stereotype is a simple but often incorrect idea about a group of people, group of individuals. It can be that we are thinking that all people from one country act the same way. It's a stereotype. We might say everybody from this country, they're very rude, they don't have any, how can I say, empathy. We can give examples like this. Now, we are going to do a quick survey. So I sent this actually to your phones, to your iPhones, to your mobile phones, or to your tablets if you have your WhatsApp open there. Or if you want, I can send it quickly through your email. You will look at this, you will click on the survey, and this is what's going to happen. The question is, what is a certain stereotype you have seen or experienced about certain countries while using social media? Yes, I want you to write me a quick, brief answer. We will see your responses here. I know there's zero responses, of course, and we will discuss it. So, let's take 1 minute. I will wait for you to write your answer. If you want, you can write it in 1, 2 sentences briefly, but please don't forget to be honest with yourself. Mhm. I will wait. Yes, 1 minute passed. Have you finished? Thank you. Now we are going to discuss your answers about the question, and we will give quick feedbacks to one another. All right.